Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to this session. In this session, we will discuss uh, some of most important Excel tools. The first one is wrap up texts. Sometimes texts are too long and they are not contained in a single cell. If we take this example, this text is supposed to be in a single cell, but as you see, it crosses to the other cell. So how can we keep this text in a single cell or bring back to the same cell? It's very simple, and we have two ways to do it. The first way is we simply click on the cell where the text is written, and then we go to wrap up text. In my computer, it shows this symbol, this tool. In other computer, you may see wrap up like this, wrap up text or wrap text. So I click on it and then it brings the text to the same cell. This is one technique. Text it can be very long, it doesn't matter, and it can easily be uh, brought to the same cell. You just go, make sure that you select the right text at the right cell, and then go to this tool, just click on it, then it brings all the text to the same cell in the same column. That's beautiful. Um, the other means, the other means, or the other way for us to do this task is, let me write again, uh, just for us. Okay, in this we already wrapped up text, so may not go further. Let me write here. So let's take this example. Assume this as a text you have. We have two options aside. The first option is clicking on the text, the cell where the text belongs to, and then clicking here. The second option is we can click at the point where we want to make the line split into two. So by this time I want to split this sentence or this line into two, starting from this point. So what I do is I press Alt and then Enter. You see, so in this way we can bring the long text back to the same cell. This is how to do the wrapping up text in the same cell. That's I think clear, and you have understood it, and you can practice this thing on your computer. So this tool and Alt on your computer plus Enter. But whenever you do this shortcut, make sure you have divided the line as you have did. This is a very important tip. So if I simply do Alt plus Enter, simply by clicking on the cell, it will not work. I have to indicate from which part this line should be divided or should be broken. So I have to show the splitting point and then Alt plus Enter. So this is how it works, just to give emphasis on repeating. Great. Let's see the second most. For example, if we take this table, uh, we have here the title of the table. Columns are not totally visible. So here we need to wrap up the text. So we can use either of the option, or we can simply apply this tool. Just click on the cell and then click on this symbol, then it comes here. In the same way, you go you go to second column and then click here. Third column, click here. Fourth column, click here. So this is how we can wrap the text so that the text is compatible to the cell.